So after being interrupted by Mr. Beard, I now have to continue my vlog. So consider this part 2. So it is 5:08 p.m. I actually didn't wake up until about 1 something, and I just laid in bed. And I'm still kind of tired. In any case, I am running errands, and I gotta go to my job to get my power drill. So I'm kind of like, I'm not gonna break in. I actually know the combination to the lockbox where the extra key is. So that's what's going on now, and I gotta get some food. And then back to the studio to wrap up the vlog. It's hot. It's really hot. So I'm here, and this little tiny mission begins. Short story. So last year, right, there's this bush right here. This bush was like cut from like here. I didn't get stung, which was cool, but I was like terrified because I've never been stung by a bee before, and I'm not sure if I'm allergic, so I'm like really scared of bees. Short story. Now back to the mission. Just so you know, that really is my drill. I didn't like go steal my job's drill or something like that. It's really mine. So there were a lot of takeaways from this vlog, and one of the things I realized is that everyone wants to be a part of something, no matter what it is, whether big or small. And even if they have their own thing going on, they even want to maybe incorporate their thing into something else, whether it be a program or some type of idea they want to get off the ground. Whatever it is, they just, might want to be a part. So always be mindful that people are watching and possibly want to be a part of what you're doing, whether big or small. No matter what part they may want to play, just know that every ounce of help that you have is always going to be essential to your idea. The world is full of ideas. We share them in conversations, and we jot the ideas down on our phone, and then they just sit there. How many of your ideas die in your head, die on your phone, on paper, on your computer? You have to let your imagination run wild, and you have to do the work. Don't be afraid to do the dirty work and let your ideas come alive. Figure out the pieces you need, get your tools together, and get started. Don't be afraid to get lost along the way, or even change your mind, because it actually is necessary. Trust me, I know. But make sure you follow through with your ideas, because it's all about conception to execution. It's all about the journey to something great. Let's get to work and create forever.